auto alarm specialist.
Okay, this is a Sports Classic Freightliner, 20-year anniversary. This thing is a beauty. I mean, this truck is a beauty. Actually doing the install, we had a bunch of people stop by, you know, where can you buy one? How much is it? This thing is out of control. That could be used for personal use, to pull a trailer in the back. Okay, we gave them the Excalibur 1670 with the linker unit. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock on the remote, on the phone. Locks the doors, turns on the alarm. Disarm the alarm, you're gonna hit unlock. Unlocks your doors, turns off the alarm. Remote start the truck. You'll hear the actual ignition turn on. We programmed it for a delay because he states that he stays up in cold weather, and this truck sometimes you have to turn on the key in ignition and give it a little while before you crank it. So we gave him the delay, the diesel delay. We extended it a little more in the programming, and it should give the crank anytime now. By the way, while we're waiting for the countdown here, it comes with 2 remote controls. You can arm it, disarm it. If you press this twice, you can remote start the truck. And then it's got an electric trunk, but in this situation, it doesn't have a trunk. There's a countdown right there that the car's being, the truck is going to be on for 30 minutes. This is the voltage of the battery in the truck. This is the signal of the unit. To turn it off, you can hit the turn off button there, and that will turn off the truck. Okay, and it also has GPS. You can track the vehicle. Okay, it lets you know where the vehicle's at, and you can do satellite image. And then when the alarm fires off, it sends them the alert that the alarm is going off. I'll give you a little tour inside. This is what the truck looks like. Okay, it also has another function which I like a lot. If you pull up anywhere and you want to take your keys with you and leave the truck running, you can press this button twice. Truck stays running. Okay. If you want to go ahead and shut it off, you can press this as well, and that will shut it off. This is the antenna that gives you the range on the remote control. It has nothing to do with the GPS cellular module inside the truck that's hidden in the truck. And it also has a button here in the event that your phone gets wet and you can't shut off the alarm, or the key fobs got wet. Pretty much you got pushed in the pool, whatnot. You're gonna open the door with the key, the alarm's gonna fire off. Just turn the key in ignition, and you're gonna tap that button one time, and that will turn off the alarm system. That's only an emergency override, only in the event that the fobs or the phone got wet and you can't disarm the alarm from either. It also has the blue LED light right here in the corner, so when you arm the alarm, it's going to give you a blue flashing light at night. It's pretty hard to see, but it's at nighttime it will just light up the whole thing in blue. If somebody bangs on the window, we'll fire off the alarm. And if somebody opens the door, it would trip the alarm as well. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida on this Sports Classic truck. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We do installs out of state. Basically, the customers will bring the trucks down here to Miami, and we perform the installation. So if you have one of these trucks, I know it's kind of hard to find this type of work in some states. Don't be shy. You can drive down, make it a little vacation, and we can take care of the installation. Thank you for watching this video.